Hey, today I'm reviewing the Parrot Teleprompter. So it comes with one of these things to screw onto the camera, and this is actually just another one that has a little like protector. So this is exactly how you do this for the camera. So with this thing off, what you would do is you would screw this or like tighten this onto the camera, and I'll show you my camera with one already on. So it would look like that after you're done, after tightening it off. And then to take it off, you just twist it off, and then what you do is you slide the back of this onto that loop, just like so, and then it'll hook on to it, and there you go, you have the teleprompter on there, so then you can read off of it. Now, one complaint that I would say about this is just that it's a little bit of a small screen, but apart from that, it works great, and I really like it.